Here are electronic components of OpenSQZ Glass. This is the development: a battery, a self-login switch, a Type-C charging port. This is the OV5640 camera, and 3 swag cables. These are the left and right temple arms, and the main frame. These parts are used to connect the body structures. Here are the charging cables. First, connect a short swag cable, and then a long one. Those are red and black cables. Secure the wires first, and then use a soldering iron. And here is the power switch and battery, all soldered. Take out the development. It contains an antenna. The antenna is used to send and receive signals. All right, let's start. First, remove the built-in cable. Then carefully separate it from the main. This will make soldering much easy. Be cautious when soldering on the main board. Make these 2 solder joints nice and rounded droplet shaped. Before soldering, double check that the power is turned off. Check the self-locking switch. If it protrudes outward, that's press it in and it's OFF. Let's start soldering. The black Y goes to the negative terminal. And the red Y goes to the positive terminal. This is what it looks like after soldering. Now connect the antenna to its socket. Press it firmly. Next, reinstall the board back. Take the camera, OV5640, and install it. Insert the camera as shown, just like this. And make sure it stays put. Give it a tug, it shouldn't come out. And this is the SOD prototype, the simplest version. Now let's give it a quick test. Flip the self-locking switch to on. And if the light comes on, that means success. All right, let's assemble the left temple. The left temple is different from the right temple. Let's start with the switch. It goes right. You can install it using tweezers. Fine-tune its position. until it is in the center. Give it a press and check the light should come. There you go, it works perfectly. When installing the Type-C port, it's best to fold the wire over it. Insert it diagonally. When it gets close to the switch, tilt it upright inside. And that's it. Nice and snug, no wobble. Next, let's install the back. Place it at the rear. Then gently snap it into place. And that's done. Let's move on to the right temple arm. Connect the wires in the mainframe. Place the camera in the cutout. Done. Now install the main. Carefully rotate the camera like this. Pull it tight. Cut off the excess ties. Let's move on to the right temple arm. Cut off the excess ties. Before we wrap up, protect areas that are prone to short circuits. Now install the hinge. Slide the pin into the hole. Install the right temple arm hinge. Line up the holes, then slide the hinge pin through. Just like this. There you have it. The OpenSQZ Glass is now fully assembled.